So he says, wow, this old lady has given me a shape. Yes or no? He has a shape for himself. So he says, why should these people eat me? No, I'm not going to fall into their stomach. Now I'm going to run away from here and I'm going to live a long life. So then what he does, as soon as he gets baked, he jumps out of the window and he starts running. He starts running. Ooh, he starts running. So then this old man and old lady will be looking at that and keep quiet. No, they were running behind him. So all are running. Gingerbread man is running. How do you run? Show me, how do you run? How do you run? Yay! Yes, running, running, running. And this old man and old woman both were running behind them. So then later what happens? This old woman says, Gingerbread man, stop. I want to eat you. I bet you that I can eat you. So the gingerbread man says, catch me if you can. I am a gingerbread little man. And he starts running. So as he keeps on going, he meets a cow. So gingerbread man is very, very tasty. So the cow, how does the cow say? What's the moo moo sound? Yes or no? Yes. So the cow says, gingerbread man, you're so yummy. I want to eat you. Gingerbread man says, no. I want to live a long life. I can't fall into your stomach. Catch me if you can. I am a little gingerbread man. So he starts running. So again behind the gingerbread man, who runs? Cow. Ball starts running. So later, when again gingerbread man, when he is running, he sees a horse. What is the sound of the horse? So the horse says, gingerbread man, he's so tasty, he's so yummy, I want to eat him. So he says, gingerbread man, I would like to eat you man, just stop. So the gingerbread man says, I want a new life and I want to fall into your stomach. No way, I'm going to run away from here now. So he starts running and he says, catch me if you can. I am a little gingerbread man. So again bull starts running and horse couldn't catch it. So gingerbread man, at the end of the village, he comes to a point where he has to cross a river. So bread is a bread. If it falls into the water, he gets melted down. So the gingerbread man starts thinking, what to do now? I am at the point where I can get melted. I don't want to get melted. I want to live a long life. So he looks here and there for some help. And he can't find anyone. A fox was there itself who was so cunning and waiting to have something. So he says, hey gingerbread man, don't you worry man. I'm here. I'll help you out to cross the river. Gingerbread man says, oh, somebody is there to help me. Please, fox, please, can you save me and can you take me across the river? So the fox says, sure, you can come on my back and sit. I will help you to cross the river. So the gingerbread man, blindly he'll believe the cunning fox's word and he goes and sits on his back. Yes or no? So they started to swim across the river. So at the mid of the river, the cunning fox says, this is the right opportunity. So he'll say, gingerbread man, can I ask you something? So the gingerbread man says, sure, you can ask me. So the fox says, the water is deep. You're going to get melted. Can you sit on my nose that I can make you help you to cross the river? So the gingerbread man says, okay, I'll come to your nose. You just help me to cross the river. So as soon as that the gingerbread man sits on the nose of the fox, what will the fox do? Will it be helping him? No! He will toss him in the air and he'll open his mouth so the gingerbread man can enter into his tummy. Yes or no? So now, at last, what happened to gingerbread man? He was nicely eaten by a cunning fox. So, The moral of the story is, before you believe anyone, be careful. Yes or no? Before we believe, we trust anyone, we have to be double sure. Is he or she my real friend? Are they going to help me or not?